The kitchen in this Bettendorf, Iowa home is ready for a refresh, but not a complete gut remodel job. The original cabinets were kept in place, and we arranged to have the stone template made with the original Formica tops on. Once the tops were fabricated, we then had the crew come and install the new tops. But ahead of this, the day before, the plumber came to unhook the sink and the dishwasher and the original faucet so that the guys could take out the original tops and put in these beautiful new MSI quartz tops. The color is Soapstone Metropolis. The look is great. So the next day we had the plumbers return, install that sink and faucet, hook everything up, and now we're ready for the tile. So the next crew that we scheduled was the tile crew, and they arranged all of the tile and put it into a very classic installation. It's not necessarily a subway tile because it's an elongated tile. The look is great here too. So the backsplash is from Midwest Tile, and the color is bright white, and this is the New Yorker Settecento tile. We love that every project that we work on at Village Home Stores is different from the next, but that makes it a little bit tricky for you to know what a good example is of how and where you reach out to us. But the first step is always the same. You just reach out to us. That way we can sit and chat about the project that you have and what work you think you'd like to have done. Then we can walk you through the correct process for that project. We'll arrange everything for you and explain it step by step.